Oisin, today is your very special birthday. You are 6 today. You are 6 today. You are 6 today. Oh, my little firecracker, you are 6 today. Yay! What a big boy you are now, Oisin. And a great age for a joke. Oh, jokes. I do love jokes. Go on then, Furr. Tell us a joke. Are you ready, Oisin? Shout go if you're ready, Oisin. Come on, we can't hear you. Whoop, whoop. Oh, there he is. Loud and clear. All right, let's go, Furr. Okay, here we go. Why couldn't the frog find where he parked his car? Oh, I don't know. Any ideas, Oisin? Maybe he forgot it? No, that's just nonsense. He got towed. You know, toads, as in like the toe. Oh, you don't have to explain it, Furr. We got it, but maybe you just need to tow that joke away. I know. Oisin's rolling around and they're laughing. Aren't you, Oisin? What a very funny fox, you know. Oisin, we have a super special birthday song for you. Oh, yes, let's sing the birthday song. Happy fantastic marvelous birthday to you. Happy fantastic marvelous birthday to you. Happy birthday, super awesome Oisin. Happy 6th birthday to you. Yay! Oisin, darling, have a super awesome day with Mummy, Daddy, and with Blossom, and enjoy lots of delicious treats. Ooh, treats? What type of treats? Maybe some crunchy slugs and spiders mashed up with vanilla ice cream. Oh, that sounds delicious. Oh, that does not sound delicious. Please don't eat any slugs or any insects. Ugh, sounds gross. I know. They're very tickly in your tummy. Oh, I'm getting hungry now. Oisin, darling, have a jolly good time singing and dancing, playing with your family and friends. You are 6 today. Toodaloo, my sweet jelly bean. Ah. Have a roaring good time today, Oisin, and maybe share some of those treats. I'll be your best buddy forever. B-Y-E, bye. Ugh, stop suggesting those gross treats. Oh, so I love this song. Let's have a little dance party. Oh, yes, I love dance parties. Oisin, are you getting your groove on? Oh, yeah. Look at him, he's going. Oh, what a good groove you are. Okay, we need to stop hugging his birthday. You're right. You have to let him get on with it. Mwah! Mwah!